we need something unique and scary.
Something we never seen before on the show?
Something we've never seen before on the show. I have a unique KitchenAid stand mixer model. It came out in the early 2000s. Everybody is looking for these mixers. They have parts that only work for themselves. It was a very limited run. What mixer do we have in the house, Boo?
Well, it's a KitchenAid.
We have the KitchenAid Accolade.
Ooh.
Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So why do I say that the Accolade is like a scary, crazy mixer? Because if you are a KitchenAid lover, KitchenAid mixer lover, you're going to understand what I mean.
It's the best of both worlds.
It's the funkiest thing you ever seen. It's sort of like a horse with a dog head on it, right? So what we have is a mixer. It's a tilt head mixer. It's a 5-quart mixer. But KitchenAid at the time wanted to upgrade the traditional Artisan. So this mix, at the time, I think they were doing plastic gears. The Accolade came out with metal gears, right?
Yay.
It's 400 watts, which is more watts than the Artisan. But the weird part of this mixer is it's an Artisan tilt head on a tilt head base, but it has a big head on it from a Pro 600. So it has like a bowl lift head on a tilt head body. So it has the big head like a tilt head, but it has a little squatty body.
So you're saying it looks like Stewie on Family Guy then.
Yes. Big
head, little body.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right, so it looks like a Hindenburg then a little.
The baby Hindenburg.
Maybe.
It is, came out sometime in the early 2000s. I found, I don't know exactly the dates, and I haven't had a chance to talk to KitchenAid because I don't have the model number off of this. But there's an owner's manual out there that was dated 2004. So it was sometime around that time.
So what you're saying is KitchenAid took it off their website, but we are interested in it though.
Yeah. I'm interested in it just because of funkiness. Because I'm not buying it because I think, oh, this is maybe a great mixer. A lot of people love the mixer. But I think one of the issues is it's loud. It is one of the loudest KitchenAids that's ever come. It's a full metal.
Well,
it's like the Pro 600.
Well, what were those called? The Martha Stewart ones? What were those called?
Yeah, the Epicurus.
Epicurus, yeah.
Those suckers are loud. But one of the challenges about getting one of these is the Accolade has its own bowl. You cannot use the Artisan bowl on it. It has a different base, a different shape, because the head is different. So the entire thing was redesigned. And they don't make it anymore. So unless you find, I wouldn't buy one that doesn't have a bowl. Because rogue bowls are few and far between for this mixer. Unless you can get one that it's broken down and you can take the parts off. Whoa, so I bought this off of Facebook Marketplace, and the seller, was very kind as to ship it to me.
You want me to hold it and you can unwrap it?
Okay, assistant. Hold on, it's taped here. Huh?
Got that bad boy.
Yay.
Huh? More.
All right. Okay. Phew.
He wrapped it pretty good. We're getting closer.
I can see a shadow of it. I've never actually seen one of these in real life. Don't. Yep.
Oh, it's got a small bowl and big head. Where are we seeing something like that for?
Me?
Nice.
I don't. Whoa.
Oh, this is big.
Whoa, this is a beauty. Look at this thing. It is funky.
Okay.
She said she only used it a few times, but you know how that is. So apparently I chatted with KitchenAid. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned. I chatted with KitchenAid and they told me that it does use the regular paddle for the Artisan. That's what this looks like.
Little one, yeah.
Just needs to be cleaned, yeah. Just needs a scrub down with it.
Yeah, BKF is our friend.
So this doesn't look like it's leaking.
No.
But it does have a little remnants of stuff on there that needs to be cleaned.
Well, the bowl looks like it's been violated, so it's not brand new.
So that's the bowl. Yeah, it does look like a Pro 600, or a Pro 500 maybe. Put the lid. Put this on. Okay, I plugged it in. So we're going to see how loud.
No.
This feels a little loose.
Test it. Just see if you can lift it. Right.
It supposedly has a true lock. Yeah, that feels a little on the loose side.
Well, get it down. Okay, good.
Wow.
Oh, maybe.
Really noisy. Wow, that is noisy. I wonder if this will adjust it a little bit. It does have the thing in it.
I mean, is it hitting?
Maybe not. It might be hitting just slightly. It might be hitting just slightly. So let's make a batch of cookies in the Accolade. We're going to have to scrub this baby down. Like big time. And let me get my ingredients and let me get a little sanitizing going on this baby, and let's see if this baby can make some cookies. Okay, our first try of the Accolade.
It's
locked in. Is that locked in?
It's locked, yes.
One of the things I know is this little handle. Wow, that's a loud sucker. This recipe is available on my website. We're making thin lemon cookies. I'm just using my recipe on this really quick. We've done the recipe before, but
you're doubling it.
Yeah, I'm doubling it. Just to see how this baby behaves. So I'm going to put some sugar in here so we can let this cream. It so reminds me of a Pro 600 in terms of the sound. Even louder than the Pro 600.
Is it worse than your first? You fought for it?
Maybe. Let me let this cream for a few minutes. I do feel like this has more power than the Artisan. This paddle doesn't exactly clear the bowl that great.
It's not bad. It could be worse.
Yeah, but there's a noticeable... It doesn't... I wonder if this is the right paddle or something.
I don't know. I mean, you got to be careful putting the paddle on. It doesn't give you much room.
eggs. Lemon juice. Lemon extract. We have some lemon zest. We got lemon all the way around here.
Yeah, baby.
So it does. So if it's on this side, I don't know, I might have to adjust the beater a little bit. Wow. This recipe is amazing. These cookies are amazing. I took it to like a potluck kind of thing one time, and they just gobbled.
Yeah, they crumbed.
I have some flour, some baking soda, some baking powder, and some salt. Just a couple pinches. This cookie spreads out. That's what makes it thin. It doesn't puff. So there's not a lot of leveling in there. Whoa.
Yeah, it looks like an iceberg just broke off the paddle.
I like the Accolade. I don't know why they stopped making this thing. It's because people didn't like it because it was loud. It's got a lot more power than the Artisan. Let me tell you. I'm going to go ahead and put the flour in here. It has a lot more power, even though it's like, 400 versus 325.
Well, yeah, it doesn't bog down. Here's a good test. Put on speed 1 and see the bog. It's not really bogging, is it?
No.
No.
Scrape it real quick.
Yeah, that's a pretty big clog up there.
Yeah.
That's at least a dozen cookies right there.
Yeah, these cookies don't take a lot of dough. So I think this is going to make quite a bit.
Oh really?
Whoa. Yeah, the Accolade has way more power than the Artisan. Okay, so let's scoop us some cookies. I'm using a number
40, I think.
40. Volrath scoop. You smell pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. I'm just all over the place. For people who like everything perfectly lined up, I'm giving them smells so good. And I can say that I did do the unthinkable.
What's unthinkable? All right. Cookie dough.
Mm-hmm.
All right, get your little nub off, Boo-Boo. You got a little nub. Thank you.
Eric is very cookie picky.
I am not cookie picky, but you got to keep this professional.
He's cookie picky. I need to move these over because when I'm baking cookies, every time I'm baking cookies, here he comes, sneaking around the corner. You have those in there 30 seconds too long.
I'm the official timekeeper of the Amy Learns to Cook show when it comes to cooking cookies. And if
He's the cookie expert.
If she's cooking and I'm not doing it, I cringe.
He doesn't trust me.
You left another one, boo-boo.
That's okay. I'm fine with that.
A crumb?
Crumb cookie.
How's the dough holding up?
It's pretty soft.
No, I mean, how's it holding up? Like, how much you got left in?
Oh.
Enough for 2 more dozen?
No, I don't know about all that. Maybe one more pan.
Looks a little bigger.
Well, he sort of landed on his side.
Oh, is that what he did? Because he looks taller than everybody else.
See, like I said?
No, he looks big.
See, like I said?
That looks like an Eric cookie. All right.
To the oven! Hey, cooks. Happy Accolade, right?
Uh-huh.
Mm-mm. So we have some delicious cookies here. I make this recipe all the time. It's amazing. It's up on my website. I'll link it down below, right? What do you think about the Accolade? I know there's a lot of people that are very sensitive about the noise, but to me, I wish KitchenAid would bring this mixer back. It's a lot more robust than the Artisan. It looks like the Pro 600 squatty little sibling, right?
The only thing weird about it is trying to get the paddle on.
Yeah.
Because it's positioned weird.
Yeah, I don't know if that's how I have the bowl on here. I don't know if that's just not the right paddle. I don't know. It worked fine, and I could lift the bowl up if the paddle was positioned this way.
It had plenty
But if it was positioned this way, it would block, and I couldn't lift the head on it.
It did a good job.
It does a great job. It's loud as all get up.
And wear some hearing protection.
I like it, though. Yeah, I like the
how are the cookies that it did produce?
I know they're amazing. You want one?
I think I've already had a few.
These cookies are amazing.
So they puff a little while they're baking, and then they collapse when you pull them out, and then they crisp up.
They're flat and these are one of my favorite.
Yeah.
These are good.
Then you got a little apple cider to wash it down with.
With my Princess Cup from the Great Smoky Mountains. Really good cookies. I love the Accolade. I'm an Accolade fan. I hope you enjoy this. And if you have a KitchenAid Accolade, leave a comment down below. Come on onto my Facebook group and let's geek about the Accolade, right? Let me know how you like the Accolade and if you too wish KitchenAid would bring it back. Thanks for joining.